Hello traders, how are you? Today is Tuesday, July the 12th, 2016. Here is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, 7 p.m. GMT time. Just updating a little bit the trades that we opened. As you've seen, our bull trade on cable ended up yielding almost 400 pips. So it was a great call that we made in the webinars and in this personal channel that I run. So hopefully for the people that decide to go with it, it's a good time to close it. For the ones that decided to keep it open in a binary option, you should be well in profit. If you decided to put the expiration date on Friday or Thursday or tomorrow or today, it's okay. For the ones that I opened for webinar purposes also, this binary option with expiration on Friday. So tomorrow in my binary options webinar I will be reviewing at binary.com that trade to see if we close it with the profits now or if we wait for the expiration on Friday. We have some risks there since on Thursday apparently we're going to have this the powers shifting hands in the UK, having new Prime Minister, and on Thursday also having maybe the decision by the Bank of England of what is speculated to have a rate cut. So during the webinar we will decide tomorrow whether to keep it open or to leave it until expiration on Friday. So, and again, just want to tell you that I've been, for the ones following my webinars, you know that I've been eyeing a long trade on the loonie. That's the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. A bullish trade after having our failed bearish trade last week. What made us close that trade manually is that the non-farm payroll number was above than expected, and that we didn't have a convincing a number a little bit lower than expected in the employment change in the Canadian economy. So I was commenting that for the ones that kept that bear trade open to close it at Monday Asian session or to find a right way to close it. As you've seen, the market went to the 1.31 and then retraced to the 1.30. So what I believe that the market's going to do now is to the price that was resistance, the 1.3, will become support. So we are eyeing the 1.3 to open the trade. I just opened it some pips above with stop loss at 129 and with a take profit of 132. So well, just want to update you with that trade. And we're not opening a binary option in the binary.com platform of this loonie trade because yes, it could betray us a little bit since the market hesitated something to achieve the 1.31. Besides, the real reason that the markets are having this distortion is because what you should have seen it's a clearer United States dollar bullish bias after having the non-farm payroll number on Friday. But the thing is that since we had this very good recovery in the pound, that it's been translated into the market as risk on. So the markets are in fact doing the opposite. The pound crosses and cable is doing exactly the opposite of what was supposed to do after having a correct and convincing non-farm payroll number. But we have to realize that the opportunity was in the pound retracing these oversold conditions. Now that the price achieved a natural resistance in the cable, what we could expect is that maybe the market hovers here in cable, allowing the dollar pairs to do what is the most logical thing they will do, that is to go up. And well, that's why we're opening now the 1.3 bullish trade on United States dollar, Canadian dollar with a stop loss at 1.29 and a take profit at 1.32. Again, not opening a binary option trade since it's trickier with these conditions to open a trade there. But well, on the margin account, it could be a nice opportunity. So I expect you all tomorrow during my Dukas Copy webinar at 7 a.m. GMT time, or at 13 hours GMT time, my traditionalbinary.com webinar. So trade safe, be safe, and bye-bye.